Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In last video we were learning about forms, so we will continue with that form itself. Like we have to give a button for this, like it should accept the button and how the button is declared into the form in the HTML in a basic way. Okay, so it is so if you want to know this how this worked, you can just watch the previous part. So let's start with this like the button thing. So I'll just show you that previous output of this. So this is the final output for this form. Okay, so this is my form from starting from here and ending with here. Okay, so I'll do in this button. Okay, so open and close tag. Inside that open and close tag, give input type equal to submit. Okay, so this will create your form. Okay, I mean button. So this is the code for button. Okay guys, so now just check out, give refresh. Okay, your button is ready now. Okay, so I mean let's take below it, just give break line statement, refresh. Yeah, so submit it is given. If you want the change this name, okay, you can give as value is equal to, inside then add data. Okay, add data, you can give this input. Okay, this button you can give a name and its ID also. Okay, so it will be name and we will give one ID. Okay guys, so later you'll be learning so what is the usage of name and ID. Okay guys, so now we'll check out what is the result for this. See, now it is written submit, right? So after refreshing it will add data because you have added these things. Okay, this value. So guys, this is the one method of making button. There is another method. So this is used as input button. Okay, and we will do with original button. So that is button close and button close. Okay, start with button and end with button. Inside between this you have to give add content. Okay, whatever, just according to it. So I just get simply save it, refresh the page and check out. See how you got that button. Okay, so in this also you can give, we'll give a break line for that to come down. Okay, let's go, this is to come down. Okay, so I've given a break line, so it came down. In this button also you can give name and its ID. So guys, it's compulsory name and ID you have to declare for the future working thing on these forms. Okay, so you have learned like this and the button things. Now button things are working. So guys, now I'm going to tell you that if you want to give a gender, okay, so you will choose drop down list or a radio button. So first we'll work with the drop down list. Okay, so I'll give one label for it. I'll label and a close off label. Okay, end of label. So I'll mention that is as gender. Okay, so gender is done. Now we will declare that how to make a drop down box. So drop down box we have to make, or a combo box, that is by select. Okay, and end of select. So this is the thing which gives select option, we will call it as. Okay, select option. Okay, select option and close select option. Okay guys, there is no confusion, just a simple thing, select and option. Okay, inside that selecting an option, it's a normal English grammar thing, select an option, so it's like a drop down thing. Okay guys, so we'll mention as first thing we'll give as, into this we'll declare simply as select Then we'll give the second content, enter, copy and paste. Inside this we'll give male, and here female. Okay, just declare and go back, refresh. Yeah guys, so you have got the drop down box. Okay, so this is how we get the drop down list. It's continued with that, so let's just break the line for that. br. Okay, so br means break. Yeah guys, so you have got this. Okay, so now I want this in a radio button. Okay, this gender, like it is in a drop down list, right? So I want just in a radio button. So for that, let's go to code and let's start with it. So I'll give here also gender only. Okay, so a simple thing, label and end of label. Okay, inside that I'll just give a space for that. Okay, inside this, between these labels, okay, we'll give gender. Okay, this we have declared gender in drop down list. This gender I'll declare in input types. Okay, radio buttons. Oops, sorry for that, radio buttons. So input type is equal to radio. Okay, and end with the radio. So we will take two things, right? So just copy that and paste it over here. Okay, so two radio buttons are ready. So now let's go to Google, refresh the page. Here guys, so we have got it. Okay, so let's break the line. Yeah. Okay, refresh. Okay guys, so you have got the radio. We will declare which is male and which is female, so that just give outer side. Okay, male, and just mention female. Okay, just out of the text box. Okay, now you got it, right? So this is the way, or else you can. So in radio button we have done guys, like a male and female, it's done, right? So now if we select, it's selecting both. Okay, so we want like single, right? So for that, let's come to our input thing, into our form, HTML form. So we have to give the name. Okay, on which name? It's ID and value. Okay, these three things are very common things in HTML where you use every time. Okay, in input field, if you are using input, okay, this input you are using, if you are using this input, you will use these three things as common thing. Okay, so there is no confusion, just a simple thing. So in name we will mention gender, so that is the heading, and we will give this also as gender. Okay, so value will be male for this, and for this radio button we will give value for as female. Okay, now let's save, just save it guys. So I have given auto save. Okay, so I don't need to save again and again. Let me refresh and click and click. See, boom, got the magic, right? So this is how we do with that. Okay, so guys, you have learned how to make this all gender and radio buttons. Okay, so guys, in this video that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel, like guys, and share, subscribe, share and like the videos, and guys, please share to your friends so they may subscribe me. Thank you guys once again for watching this video. Thank you.